great time here with you folks. And I hope if you've had a great time, you'll let the McMenamins know so they'll have it back again. This song's called Drive Straight Through. There is a place I'd like to take. We can find our way back to somewhere in time and space, not far from here. We can just drive ourselves straight through, turning up the highway. Moonbeam clouds are you here. Wide open starshine in a Guthrie skyway. Love, you know, clear. Love, you know, clear. Just you and me driving here, searching for something we can steer into. Oh, say, can you stay there up ahead? Dawn's early shining bright upon you. With the sand across the highway, past his laugh, I real view. Income trails in Pan Am Skyway. All can be broken. All the radio sings. I can see clearly now. The rain is gone. The rain is gone. I can see clearly now. The rain is gone. The rain is gone. Time moves fast and slow. It's funny how love can move and grow. Fill up all the hollow empty spaces. Evolution's dazzling wonder shows. Oh, the mystery I need to know. I see it in those smiles on the faces of what we need. I can see clearly now. The rain is gone. The rain is gone. What today? I can see clearly now. The rain is gone. The rain is gone. I can see Was that encore? Did I hear somebody say encore? And did I hear them say Paul Simon? Paul Simon. Did I hear them say that? Encore. Paul. Did I hear that? Oh, that's what it was. Oh, what a great thing. Oh, I'm going to take my hat off. And Paul Simon changed my life. He gave me songs I could hang on to through a horrible childhood, like a life raft. Every one of those songs I can find life in every time I go to it. And he wrote the best, absolute best, ever closing song. Ever. Let's get that one up.
Closing.
So yeah, this was the last of it. And then tired old man gotta go tear his stuff down, go home and check on his kids. But last song. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Happy birthday, Paul Simon. Come to talk with you again. It was last week. Because the vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. The vision was planted in my brain, still remains with a sound of silence. Restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. Beneath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flashing of a neon light, it split the night and touched the sound. In that naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs that voices never shared, 'cause no one dared disturb the sound. Silence. Fool, said I, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. My words, silent raindrops fell. Echo in the wells of silence.
Single person I don't know.
And the people bowed and prayed to that neon God they made. And the sign flashed its warning in the words that it was for me. And the sign said the words of the prophets. They're written on the trailer walls and tenement halls. Whispered in the sounds of silence. Hey, Grand Lodge Garage Door, I've had a great night here with you, and I hope you've had a good night here with me, and I hope you have a great weekend, and I hope we see each other here again real soon. This is Ken Scholes saying good night to you all.